Good afternoon, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel dedicated to cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Today, December 6th, 2025, we are covering the latest news about BNB, the native token of the Binance ecosystem. Whether you're an investor, trader, or simply a crypto enthusiast, this episode is for you. We will talk about the current price, recent fluctuations, forecasts for December and beyond, as well as key events such as the ETF application, changes in Binance's leadership, and technical upgrades to the BNB chain. I'll put everything together into a coherent picture so you can make informed decisions. Let's get started. Discover Etherify, a proven project in the field of cryptocurrency staking. With an initial investment of $1,400, in just a few weeks I was able to grow my capital to $6,000, which demonstrates the high efficiency and reliability of this platform. Etherify uses advanced technology on the Ethereum blockchain for staking, guaranteeing you a share of the profits from the fees earned by confirming transactions on this network. Currently, the project is actively working to attract long-term partners, offering them 90% of all profits, which significantly exceeds standard terms. My experience with Etherify confirms its honesty and transparency. Earning more than $5,000 in net profit through regular deposit and withdrawal operations proves that this project deserves your attention. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of these favorable terms while the project is expanding its partner base and offering the most attractive staking rates. First, let's talk about the price. According to CoinMarketCap, at the time of recording this video, the price of BNB is about $888.87 per token, with a decrease of 2.4% over the last 24 hours. The daily trading volume exceeded $1,921 million, indicating high market activity. The lowest price of the day was $886.19, while the highest was $906.85. BNB's market capitalization is currently $122,429 million, and the token ranks 5th in terms of market cap on CoinMarketCap. This makes BNB one of the key players in the crypto industry, right after Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and Solana. But let's break down why the price is behaving this way. According to a report from Crypto.news, the recent rebound in BNB's price came with low volume, which signals a possible drop to the support level of $800. This sounds alarming, especially after BNB dropped by 6% below $810 on December 1st, continuing a weak trend from November. Analysts from Yahoo Finance note that yesterday the price rose by 1.44% to $908, thanks to a 68% surge in trading volume. This may indicate accumulation by large investors, the so-called whales in the resistance zone. If the volume continues to grow, we may see a breakout to the upside. Now let's move on to the forecasts. Many experts are wondering whether BNB will break through $1,000 in December. According to Investex, the analysis shows potential for growth, but with risks. Changelly forecasts a minimum price in December at $610.33, a maximum of $643.32, and an average of $676.31. But more optimistic forecasts from MEXC suggest a maximum of $1,966.14 in 2025. Economic Times warns of risks such as regulatory issues that could hinder a rapid breakthrough to $1,000. ChatGPT, when asked about crypto DNS, predicts BNB will grow by the end of 2025, but without specific figures. Everything depends on market conditions. One of the hottest events is the filing in for a spot ETF for BNB on November 21st, 2025. If the SEC approves it, this could attract institutional capital, similar to what happened with the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. CoinMarketCap notes that this would add legitimacy but warns of risks. BNB could be classified as a security, which would trigger new regulatory battles. In May 2025, the SEC withdrew its lawsuit against Binance, but uncertainty remains. More news from Binance. The company has switched to a co-CEO model, appointing co-founder Yi He to this position. This is part of efforts to overcome regulatory crises, including the consequences of Trump's pardon for Changpeng Zhao. Binance Jr. has also been launched, a family-oriented product focused on education and safety. Analysts are divided. Some see this as a step toward maturity, while others see risks for the price of BNB, which is currently trading in the $890 to $900 range. The technical updates to BNB chain are impressive. In June 2025, the Maxwell upgrade reduced block times to 0.75 seconds and increased DEX capacity to 5,000 swaps per second. Active addresses reached 3,460,000, breaking the record set in December 2023. Over the past 30 days, more than 500 million transactions have been processed, an increase of 151%. Let's not forget about the deflationary model. Autoburn reduces the supply. In the first quarter of 2025, 1,940,000 BNB were burned, totaling $1,170 million. The goal is 100 million tokens in circulation. Since January 2025, 2,020,000 BNB have been burned, amounting to $1,200 million. In February, the price exceeded $622.94, surpassing Solana in market capitalization thanks to gasless transactions and sub-second blocks. Other news. CA Industries refutes Wazy Labs' warning about a $500 million loss in BNB reserves. Binance confirms holdings of 515,554 BNB tokens, totaling $4,646 million as of December 4th. Binance word of the day finishes today for BNB rewards. In the long term, BitGet forecasts growth. By December 2025, $905.10, by January 2026, $908.90, and by 2030, up to $1,181.68, assuming a 5% annual growth rate. CoinCodex predicts a growth of 0.16% by December 26th, reaching $861.23. The RSI at 35.95 indicates a neutral position. To sum up, BNB is in an interesting position. There is potential for a rally thanks to ETFs and upgrades, but there are also risks of a decline due to low volume and regulations. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization is $3,100 billion, with a decrease of 2.5%. Bitcoin is trading around $91,300, down 2%. If BNB breaks through $920, expect a rally to $1,150 to $1,500 in 2025 to 2026. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share your BNB predictions in the comments. See you next time.